Hello everyone. If you are still using heat gun for baking the tube, so it is high time to change your machine right now. Otherwise, you will lose your customer in future. So let me give you some idea and let me show you two of our machines. The special machine only for baking your tube. Okay? And one more thing. With a gun, you need 17 seconds for only one tube. If you're using our machine, you can do quick. It's 10 times faster than the traditional one, than the old one you use a heating gun. So it is high time to change your machine with our machine, our special machine. And it will save your manual cost, it will save your money, it will save the material cost also. So with our machine, you can save the 4 manual labor into only one machine. Okay? So let me show you one more thing. Both of our machine has the English version monitor. You can see this is a monitor and also there is a monitor. You can put your data in the monitor, insert the data in advance. If you do like for this one, for the big tube, big length and thick tube, you will need this machine. And for the thin one, for the thin cable, the big, you can look the quality. Both of them are 100% accurate and perfect shape. Okay? And 10 times more faster than the traditional one. So I'll show you how you will operate this one. Please come. Our engineer will show you how it works. Just with a leg, just one tap with your leg, we can complete one baking tube. We can complete within just a 7 seconds with this machine. And for baking our tube, we are using double layer cover for baking this one. You can see perfect shape and it takes only 7 seconds. So I'll show you this thing, how it works. Just insert your tube in the iron plate and not hold it by your hand. It will automatically rotate. Every time it will automatically rotate. And take the cable and place it here. So it is too easy and it is too handy. It is so time saving for you. And the old heating machine and the other traditional machine for baking the tube, the two of this machine is way faster than anything you are using. So it is right time, it is high time to change your machine to our machine, and just contact with us. We will send you a demo video and technical measurement for every machine. And contact with us anytime if you are interested. Thank you.